This is the version 2 of the Rolling Bag 88, an 88-key keyboard case with wheels, a trolley handle, carry handles, and both large and small accessory pockets. This bag is designed to fit 88-key keyboards, and we made a list of popular keyboards that do. But always remember, it will fit any keyboard that fits within the dimensions of 57.87 inches by 18.11 inches by 6.3 inches. On top of that, there are 4 foam inserts with Velcro on them included inside the case that allow you to fit both slim and thick keyboards and play around with the padding you want in the case. There are also 2 giant protective and padded Velcro straps that go over your keyboard once it's in the case and secure it tight to the bag so your keyboard won't move or slide around during transport. These straps also act as an additional level of padding over your keyboard. The interior of the bag is lined with tri-cotton soft foam with a polyethylene reinforced interior frame. And the bag has an extremely rugged nylon construction with built-in multi-layers of protection to add strength and hardness to protect your keyboard from accidental drops. There are rubber spikes on the side of the case, so if you have to place the case down, it won't slide or fall over, and the skid bars on the rear allow you to place the case down without worrying about scratching up the back. There is a carry handle on the back of the case, and the Velcro carry handles on the side allow you to carry the case vertically or horizontally. And the built-in wheels and trolley handle on the top allows you to also trolley the keyboard around, which is especially helpful for heavier keyboards. And on the front, we have 2 pockets, a large one and a smaller pocket. Now, both of these pockets are super useful to store a variety of different things. You can store an iPad in this pocket. A lot of musicians keep their sheet music and chords on their iPad or tablet, so this pocket is great for that. You can also put your sheet music in here, etc. In the smaller pocket, you can keep any power cables, 1/4-inch instrument cables, DI boxes, sustain pedals, microphones, basically anything you would need in your performance. And the zippers are super strong and high quality zippers used all throughout the bag. So if you're a musician, performer, or entertainer looking for an 88-key keyboard case with wheels, a trolley handle, carry handles, and large and small accessory pockets, look no further than the version 2 of the Rolling Bag 88 from Rockville.